Hi everybody, welcome to Ash & Co Workshops. This is our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer kit and how to make it. So let's open up the box and see what you get. So you get your quick start guide which shows you how to put it together. Here's all your components, your accessories, your sandpaper, and of course your safety sheet as well. So put those out of the way. Let's tip out our components. Awesome. And our accessories. Let's open those up too. Tip those out there. Wowzers, there's all sorts of really cool stuff there you can add to make your Rudolph your very own. So then, I'm going to show you how he goes together. First thing you should do is make sure you've sanded all of the components. Give them a good sand all the way over. I'm not going to do that here, just so that we can get through the video a bit quicker. But essentially, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, with 1, 2, 3, 4 shorter dowels, and we usually put a spare one in, and then a longer dowel, and that is for his head. Now his head is that part there, and his body is there. You should also have a red nose as well, and of course all the accessories. Two final things you should have in your kit are these here, which are for the antlers, okay? So let's show you how to put it together. So I always start with putting the dowels into the legs first, because you want to make sure once you've hammered them in, they come all the way through to the other side. So if you get a little hammer, give it a tap. Now, when you hear the sound change, that's when you know it's gone all the way through. Okay, and same again. Let's give them a little tap, tap, tap. There you go. And the last one. Okay, so that's our 4 legs done. Now we can put those onto the body. All you need to do is push and twist, push and twist. 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 And there we go, look. Now if you've got a little bit sticking out, just give it a gentle tap like that. And there you go, that is your reindeer coming together. Okay, then now let's put his head on next. So I'm going to put the dowel into the head piece first. Okay, and then I'm going to put the head onto the body. And there we go. Do-do-do. Hi. So then, Rudolph is next going to need some antlers. So I'll show you how to make those. You get your pipe cleaner and you cut off about 1/3, something like that. Same on the other one. Cut off 1/3. Okay, so you take the 1/3 and you just wrap it around like so. Okay, and that gives you a really cool little antler there. And then that goes straight into the hole. Can you see the hole on top of his head? Goes straight into that. Just push it in. And there you go. One antler. And same again for the other side. Now, if you want to, you can cut another kind of smaller piece off this as well and do another one at the top here to make it look really antlery. But I'll let you do that. So there you go. It looks pretty cool, right? Now from here, you can decorate Rudolph however you want to, but you'll probably want to put a tail in. That's what these wires are for here. So all you need to do to get the wires in is trying to push and twist and push and twist. If you need to, though, get a pair of pliers, hold the wire back here, and then push the wire into the body. Push and twist at the same time, okay? Now, if you're going to stick a wire out of the end of Rudolph like this, you must make sure that this end of the wire is properly covered. And in your pack, you will find a little bead like this. And that's what the bead is for, okay? The bead goes over the top and you stick that on there so that it doesn't poke any children in the eyes, okay? If you really don't want to do that, then it's very important that this is folded back over on itself like this to create a rounded edge so you don't poke yourself in the eyes. It's really important because this is a definite eye poking hazard, okay? Okay, so once you've got his tail set, then of course you're going to want to stick his nose on. So you stick Rudolph's nose on there with some glue. And then you can use a whole range of things in here for eyes, like this. Eyes, and then you could use another little piece of wire to create a mouth for him as well. So I'll show you one I made earlier. Here you go, here's a little Rudolph I made earlier. I made little cute antlers on this one, and I used the other part for his tail because that's what I wanted to do, but we gave him a good sand. Okay, finally, you've got all these accessories here, and you can use these for whatever you like. You've got a couple of blocks here, so why don't you make a couple of little friends for Rudolph? You could stick on some hair like this. You could have a couple of eyes, or maybe they're wheels for roller skates. I don't know. You guys use your imagination, and whatever you do, don't forget to send us photos of your makes because we love seeing them. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Have a great Christmas, everybody, and hope you love making your kits. Thanks for watching. Bye.